Mastering the Kitchen with Words, Unpacking Microwave Maestro. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that combines culinary skills and modern technology: Microwave Maestro. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's about the art of mastering microwave cooking. Let's explore what it means to be a microwave maestro and why this term is more than meets the eye. Whether you're a language learner or a culinary enthusiast, this video promises insights and fun learning. First things first, let's break down the phrase. Microwave refers to the microwave oven, a common kitchen appliance used for heating and cooking food through the use of microwave radiation. The term maestro is borrowed from Italian, meaning master or expert, often used in the context of music to refer to a master musician. When we combine these words, microwave maestro describes someone with exceptional skill in using a microwave oven to cook or prepare food. It's a playful and modern way to acknowledge one's proficiency with this specific kitchen appliance. In today's fast-paced world, cooking might seem like a daunting task to many. However, being a microwave maestro suggests that you can create delicious meals quickly and efficiently, using just a microwave. This title highlights creativity and ingenuity in cooking, showcasing that even with limited tools or time, one can still prepare satisfying and nutritious dishes. It's about embracing the convenience of modern life while still enjoying the pleasures of homemade meals. The microwave oven revolutionized cooking since its widespread adoption in the late 20th century. As microwaves became a staple in households around the world, the concept of a microwave maestro emerged as a fun and informal way to recognize those who have adapted traditional cooking skills to fit the modern era. This phrase captures the essence of innovation in everyday life, celebrating those who blend culinary arts with technological advancements. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of the phrase, microwave maestro. It's a testament to how language evolves with technology and culture, creating new expressions that resonate with our modern experiences. Being a microwave maestro isn't just about cooking. It's about mastering the art of convenience without compromising on taste and nutrition. Whether you're an English language learner or a budding chef, remember that every word and every dish tells a story. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights and explorations in our next video. Happy cooking and learning!